we have been working for many years, as you know, to build supply chains supporting the three main geographies. The US, of course, which is our #1 priority, but also Europe and China. And suddenly the experience we lived through during COVID gave us, at the time, even more incentive to continue building those independent supply chains. So we have 11 sites, manufacturing sites in the US. The vast majority of the products we sell in the US are manufactured in the US. We export products from the US. And there's a couple of medicines that are coming from Europe that we are in the process of shifting to the US for manufacturing. So we have the existing network of manufacturing sites that enables us to redeploy manufacturing as we need. China is also self-sufficient. We are not exporting products, very marginal exports from the US to China. So we are okay from that viewpoint too. We're not importing medicines from China, Mexico, or Canada into the US. So as you can see, the efforts with the investments we've made over so many years building our manufacturing footprint across the world are now paying off because we're not so much affected by those tariffs if they come in.
Yeah, Pascal, very good to see you, sir. Looking at China, it's been problematic. There's no doubt about it. Concerns about illegal sales practices, medical insurance fraud, unpaid taxes potentially on cancer drugs, and some of these concerns are ongoing. Despite that, you have recently invested $2.5 billion in R&D manufacturing in Beijing as well. Does this show you that regardless of the issues you have in China, it is still a better place to invest than Europe at the moment?
Well, I mean, every geography is important to us. Every patient in any country is important to us. We have the largest geographical footprint of any company, I believe. We are present in almost every country, and our mission is really to try and bring our medicines to as many people as possible who need those medicines around the world. So China is a very important market, not only because there are a lot of people who need our medicines, but also because it's rapidly becoming a major innovation engine for our industry. The US, of course, remains the leading innovation engine, but China is becoming very important. Now, I mean, accident happens, and we wish that what happened to us in China would not have happened. We take accountability for it. We've actually implemented changes so that it doesn't happen again. But, we take accountability for it, and we remain committed to China. It has happened to other companies in other geographies over the years. I'm not saying it's great, but it can happen. So we are committed, and in the first quarter, we grew by 5% in China. And if you exclude the decline of Pulmicort, which is an old product that is now losing market share to generics, actually we're growing 9%. Our major products like Tagrisso and others are not losing market share. In fact, they are gaining market share. So, China is important, and we continue to do well.